this video, we're going to talk about one of the most popular type of business financing that we work with called unsecured business financing. Now with UBF, you can get approved for up to $150,000 in working capital credit lines with 0% rates. That means you can use these credit lines for anything you want and be able to get 0% for typically a term of about 6 to 18 months. Now you can get approved even as a startup, and this is a no documentation program, which means you don't need bank statements or tax returns for approval, and you also don't need any collateral to get approved either. All you need is a 680 FICO score or higher for approval. And as you'll see on the next slide, you can also get approved with a guarantor as well. So this could normally get you about 5 to 8 times the approvals that you're able to get on your own. And you typically can get approved for about 5 to 8 times the amount of your highest limit revolving account that you have now. So if the highest limit revolving account you have now is 10 grand, then with this program you could typically get about 50 to 80,000 all the way up to 150 grand if you have the high enough credit limits now to get approved. Now individual approvals typically range from 2 to 50,000. It depends on how high your individual credit limits are now on your existing consumer credit report. And again, you can get approved without a guarantor or with a guarantor instead. So if your FICO score is not a 680, but you have a friend, a family member, somebody that wants to invest in your business that has a 680, well, you can use their credit to actually get approved. And you can take 100% of the cash out on these programs as well. So you get the benefit of having 0% credit lines and being able to take the cash out on these credit lines, which is a phenomenal secondary benefit. Now, one more benefit is that these accounts report to the business credit reporting agencies. So you can actually build your business credit with these accounts as well as getting access to 0% money for 6 to 18 months and being able to take the physical cash out. Phenomenal program, right? 0% for 6 to 18 months, being able to take the cash out on the lines, being able to get 5 accounts or more on your business credit reports to build business credit at the same time that you're getting money, being able to get the money even as a startup, even without collateral and no doc. This is a really easy program to qualify for if you have a 680 FICO score or a guarantor that does. So make sure you talk to your finance team as you're navigating through the finance suite to get approved for unsecured business financing.